Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're watching this for the first time, my name is Gemma, and we recently started a new YouTube channel called Gemma and Afzal. Today, on the agenda, we have something planned. I was supposed to actually help out a friend who's looking out at some PGs here in Bangalore. So she works as a pastry chef at this cafe over here, and apparently the cafe is shifting to another area or something like that. So she wanted help to go and find a new place for herself, and I think PG hunting is like a really big deal over here. Even finding an apartment for us itself was like really tough. We know the pain. So, I thought like, why not go and help her out? I'm here at home, and what's the time? So I'm supposed to be leaving in some time. It's like about 10:15 right now. I'll be leaving at 10:30. I think the journey is about I think somewhere about like 30 to 45 minutes, hopefully. And it's a Monday here, and I'm guessing there's going to be a lot of traffic. I just hope I reach in time because, yeah, sometimes the long traffic can get a little annoying here. But yeah, let's get there to the location, and I will try to, shoot the vlog when I see her. We'll try to document our PG hunting experience, challenges that we're going to go through. So, yeah, if you guys would like to see my outfit, I'm going to show you my outfit. So my outfit's pretty simple actually. I got this top from I think this app called Savannah. It's pretty simple and nice. And then the jeans, they are from H&M. They are these really loose waist jeans. It's super comfy. So yeah, just some basic makeup, and we're gonna set out now. This is a late comer. Why were you late?
Huh?
Why were you late?
I was
I
sleeping.
I got ready. I got ready at freaking 10 o'clock.
You didn't call me when you got ready.
But you respond. You message me.
I sleep text. I thought you knew. I'll be sleeping. I'll text you properly. You won't even know I'm sleeping, and then I sleep.
I was like ready at 10, and I was not even getting a freaking auto.
Good, you didn't get.
I was like, what is
Let's
happening?
order. It's nice.
Hello everyone. So this is my friend Rakshinda.
Hi.
She's from Bangalore, and like I mentioned, we are doing a PG hunting for her. She works as a pastry chef at
Just slow.
yeah, just slow. So she's late. I was
For
ready
the
at
first time ever.
yeah, actually the first. I was ready at 10 a.m. waiting, but I wasn't getting an auto, so I was like, this is the right time. You know, the auto actually, I was getting it for like 200 bucks.
They
at
gave
10
up
o'clock.
on you.
No, 200 bucks, and then when I came right now,
150.
I was getting for 150.
Yeah, that's how the time.
But that guy, he took a longer route, and I got it for, he charged me 214 bucks.
What?
Yeah,
You
but
should complain.
yeah, I did. I got the refund back. She sent me the money. She was very nice customer support. She's like, yeah.
Which app did you book from?
It was Rapido.
Ah.
So I was like, thank God. But are you sure you want to eat here?
You can go there.
You use a washroom. There's like a signboard put. Washroom for customers only. But this place is deserted, like the name suggested.
Wait for it in the evening. I think it's gonna get very full.
But I want to eat masala dosa.
Come, let's go.
Okay, let's go eat some masala dosa. This is mine with filter coffee. This is Rakshinda's. Oh my god.
This is a small.
That's not small,
See?
babe.
You cannot.
So, we are gonna go check out the first PG. Where is this?
Let's hope it's a normal one.
But how far is your cafe from
There's a
here?
PG here.
You wanna go ask?
Just 100 meters. I think it's the same one.
I mean, it looks like a nice street. And there's some new buildings coming up here. I think this is like another PG. Yeah, it's a whole PG business.
And they earn pretty well, man.
Yeah, they do. I mean, that's the only thing that works here, right, in Bangalore? The PGs. There are so many people from different areas that want to stay, and it's pretty affordable. But I think now here it's a bit expensive, right?
So here,
This one.
left, right,
How is this a PG, bro? Okay, that was a failure. There's nobody opening the door there.
What a life, dude.
What a
There's
life.
one more.
Is it on this lane? How far do we walk?
Wait. It's showing you have to go that side.
Back that side?
Yeah.
I remember. Oh, somebody opened the door.
PG ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ ಕವಿತಾ ಕವಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ
What is it cost?
PG ದ ಕಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ कितना
This is 3 sharing. Why was there a guy? Good question.
ಹುಡುಗರು ಇರ್ತಾರಾ
ಹುಡುಗರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಮಗ
ಹಂಗ ಸರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು
But how much for it?
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 15 ಇದೆ 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಎಸಿ
10 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಟೂ ಸರಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಇಬ್ಬರಿದ್ದಾರ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ
Oh, okay.
ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸೌತ್
ಓಕೆ
Oh, damn. I think it's just not clean. Yeah, very shady type.
ಇದು ಎರಡೇ ರೂಮ್ ಇರೋದಾ
ಇದು ಇವಾಗ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದೆ
ಎಷ್ಟು
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 12 ಇದೆ
ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ
10ಗೆ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ
10ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇರ್ಬೋದು
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓನರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
Are you sure you want to stay? Bro, look at this.
Look at the windows broken. I can't.
It's like you're going to live in some old
No, I
house.
can't do this.
Olden
I
days.
just tell her.
Hello.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್.
Let's go. Okay, we're on to the next place. How much were they charging for this one? 3 sharing for 12,000 or 15k, but it was not maintained, bro. It was very dirty.
Dirty.
The challenges of finding a PG.
I will
It drives you mad.
My life is
Which side? This side, right?
and that be a PG. That looks so neat and nice. And
Yeah, the thing is, I think I don't know, the ones that are like affordable, they don't maintain in hygiene. That's what.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೆರಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಹೌದಾ ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್
Did you find one? But look at this area, it's so pretty.
Friends, today me and my friend are going.
I will kick you, Srivaswaro.
He should have come, he would have been good content. Look at this. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Are you checking the direction or are we just walking randomly?
The direction.
Okay, cool. Is it this?
No.
Maybe you should ask.
हाँ वॉकिंग हो तो उसका 10,000 है उसमें खाना है सर 10 मतलब
10,000.
ओके देख सकती हो आ सकती हो
10,000 is pretty good, right?
हाँ
रीशेयरिंग
Check out the room.
Do I look like that?
Yeah, you do.
What the hell?
How old are you?
28.
Single, ready to mingle. Or maybe ready to mingle on a matrimonial site. Only rich people contact. Oh, there's no electricity. Bro.
नहीं ओ एक खाने होगा एक खाने
और कपड़?
वो आपका हाथ में
हाँ.
Thank you. Okay, guys, I think that was a bit too congested. And for 10,000, it was a 3 sharing, right?
Where's the other one? This
But remember, we were checking out the other places, and the other places was 24,000, and that was what, 3 sharing? Oh my god, this girl. Bumble. Okay, fine. Do you remember the other places we were checking out? Are you sending your boyfriend a photo? This is a PG?
Yeah, this is a PG.
Okay, we're on to the next PG.
Someone said this is a PG. There's no ringing bell, nothing.
There is. They're up.
Oh.
Are you sure that's a bell? There's no sign.
There's
a
no
CCTV
sign there
camera.
also. Hey,
No,
one
that's
room.
not a. Hey, one room on the 3rd floor, furnished. Go ask, na.
Oh, I'll come in the list.
This looks like a nice building.
Yeah, I'll stay here.
You're gonna stay here.
I wouldn't mind, bro. It's frankly saying.
I wonder how much they're charging.
See, they're charging 5k.
You expect them to charge 5,000 for a whole room that is furnished? Exactly. They are not gonna charge
Hello?
5,000.
I saw that they had a two-lit one room on the 3rd floor. Can I know how much is it? No, I'm just standing outside because I don't know who to contact, how to go inside. Okay.
What did he say?
Give me a minute. He's like, hello. I'm like, then only it was freaky, dude.
What did he say though?
Did you check out the room? Why? Is it haunted? The way he asked, did you check out the room? I asked, how much is it? He said, did you see the room?
I doubt you're gonna get this for 5k.
If I get it for 5k,
He'll
why
say, I think he'll say 20, 25,000.
not? If I get for 5k, you never know life.
5,000? Are you kidding me? I think the minimum rate is like
It's just
8k.
one room without kitchen also, I'm sure.
No, I think it's like a furnace building.
Oh, yes.
I'm gonna climb up. Bro, he looks very strict.
Yeah, he does.
Close the door. It's a gate, but okay.
I don't think I can have much so.
We just walked 1 kilometer. Not even 1 kilometer, and you're tired.
Periods. What else do you expect?
Oh, you're in
on
your period.
periods?
Okay, okay. We'll cut you the slack.
You're not cutting me any.
But this place is so beautiful.
Yeah, so I want to stay here.
Yeah, but you have to. What's your budget?
10. If it is going to be without food, then I'm expecting 8. My life.
She has a very interesting budget. 8 and 10,000.
I am not paying anything extra. My life as a pastry chef is very hectic. I'm gonna go flat, bro. I've given up on PG search. Oh my god, dude.
It's so pretty up here.
Yeah, that's why I wish.
It's a nice garden.
Very nice. ಫುಡ್ ಏನಾನ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಒನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ
Yeah, it's pretty.
ಬೆಡ್ ಕಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅದು
ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ಚೇರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಏನಾನ ಕರ್ಫ್ಯೂ ಇದೆನಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್
ಓನ್ಲಿ
ನೋ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್
No boys.
I mean friends also not allowed.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ
But
ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್
Yeah,
ನೋ
yeah.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್
Okay, fine.
ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್ ನಾ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಪಿಜಿ
Oh, okay.
some problem is unwanted
Okay, fine. I'll call your son and ask.
ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
But it's a nice place. It's
Only
kept very
stay.
clean.
Only stay.
Hello.
Yeah, other PGs around are like not clean. That is a problem.
Correct.
And I know how much is that?
It's very nice.
Okay, thank you.
Just one. 17,000. You can't decrease it at all to 12 also. I agree because I'll be staying single. I mean, it's going to be very hectic. No, the thing is, say if it was food included, I would have just said yes to 17 within a second. But because I'm working as a chef, and the moment I come in, I'll have to be doing everything, cooking, everything. So it's going to, yeah, I know. At least I do tiffin service, so it's going to cost me extra for the tiffin service.
Your salary only is not that much.
How fine. No, the thing is, my salary is also, basically, I'll be giving you 3/4 of my salary. The thing that you just said. Frankly, I'm going to be as straight as possible. That's why I'm just negotiating. Or I wouldn't even be negotiating if I was in IT.
Where is the bathroom but to this? Outside? Everything is.
ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಐ ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಐ ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಶೆಫ್ ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್
Oh, it's very nice. It's actually pretty, but the thing is, on this salary, she's a chef.
Your budget is
I'm a pastry chef ಅಲ್ಲ okay
Just starting out. Thank you. Nice place.
very pretty
Yeah.
you see.
thank you
Thank you so much.
come down.
This is beautiful, and it's going to be expensive. Okay, this PG is like a bit too expensive. 16,000 for 4 sharing. But are you sure you don't want to see the room?
It's only for students 9:30 I don't want to get overindulged and be like shit. Yeah,
In there, like in the just opposite to that, you have a PG there.
what's the name by
It's called Sharada PG for girls.
But is it clean, the PG there?
No, we just saw it from outside. We actually didn't go inside because
Wait, was it the lane and then you go and
no. It is just the temple opposite itself. In the month of May or something, or I'll be shifting.
Maybe you guys should exchange numbers. I mean, if she finds something.
Can you just say 70 Tamil?
I'm a Kannadi.
Okay. You sound so much like a Tamil. Yeah.
It's the hair.
Yeah. I got you now. What's your name?
I'm Rakshanda.
And my name is Akshaya.
Can't believe my life, dude. Why?
Don't be disheartened.
I am gonna cry. And it's so expensive. What is this?
Join IT or get married to an industrialist. Wink.
My legs have given up on my life, dude.
Your long legs have given up on your life. Ooh, Ivy, be careful. Was that bad?
Yeah, that was bad.
Oh God! What is wrong with you? Walk slowly.
I've given
Imagine
up
if you
on my
stayed
life.
here.
I've given up
I'd
on
come to visit you
everything.
every day.
I'm gonna ask that girl.
Come. She's on a call. She might be rude. And she'll be like, oh, sorry.
I'm used to rude people by now in my life.
Yeah.
I have to get used to nice people in my life.
You're rude to the nice people as well.
I am rude?
Yes, to
Yeah?
the nice people.
Why? Who da?
Just joking.
Who does it when did this turn out?
I think this is a PG. This shady place.
Yeah, shady place.
Shady places, all PGs. Bro, I'm so tired now. I'm dehydrated.
I've given up on my life, da.
When is your cafe shifting, by the way?
They're saying they were supposed to shift yesterday night. The shifting, I don't know when. If I stay, I wouldn't mind a lot of things.
Okay, guys, so I think we're gonna like end our vlog here because the PG hunting has been.
Very bad.
Yeah, we couldn't find anything. Either everything was so expensive, and the other side was even if we found anything affordable, it was pretty not so,
Haunted.
yeah, haunted and not so clean. So our budget was what?
10 to 12.
10 to 12k, and in that budget most of the places were unhygienic, and the rest, I think the normal rates here to find a decent place is like 18 to 25, between that. So yeah,
Okay
see you
then,
in the next vlog.
bye.
Bye.